Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into mastering calisthenics skills with expert techniques that will level up your home workout game. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your form, this video has something for everyone. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. In today's session, we'll focus on essential calisthenics movements like advanced push-up variations, core strengthening exercises, and techniques to boost endurance and muscle growth without fancy equipment. These exercises are not just about strength. They're about mastering control and form. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Let's jump right in and elevate your workout routine with these expert calisthenics skills. Remember, consistency is key. So let's get started and make every rep count.